This video will show faculty members at Los Angeles Valley College how to complete an SLO assessment in eLumen. The only step that has changed since the last video is the login. eLumen is now accessed from the district's SharePoint. Please be advised that each campus has a different eLumen site, so if you teach at other colleges, be sure to start on the main SharePoint page for LAVC. That is studentlacd.sharepoint.com/sites/LAVC. Scroll down and click on eLumen. If you're already logged into the SIS, you'll be able to access the first screen immediately. If not, please log in using your usual credentials. After logging in, look at the role next to your name. This usually defaults to faculty, but if you have other roles, such as department chair, please use the drop-down menu to choose faculty. Please also select the discipline, as many faculty teach in multiple disciplines. On the Courses tab, you will see the term, and then below it, the courses listed. The ones without a scorecard are not being assessed in that particular term, so don't worry if some of the classes don't have scorecards. Please click on the scorecard and your roster will appear. I'm now in the scorecard and my student names have been redacted for privacy. For each student, please use the rubric to select the score for each SLO. eLumen will aggregate the score. Using the rubric ensures the cleanest data for your discipline or department. Then click Next Student. You'll see that the color of the box for the student that was just assessed turns darker. Please proceed until you have assessed all students. If a student dropped from the course or did not turn in what was required for the assessment, for example, the final paper, project, or exam, kindly select Not Assessed or NA. If a score is not entered for every student, eLumen will not recognize that your scorecard is complete. So students who are not assessed should have this rating. After the last student, please click Save and Continue to Reflection. A window with 3 questions will appear. The SLO assessment does not count unless answers to these 3 questions are complete. The questions are meant as a summary and analysis for the entire class, not for each individual student. The responses to these questions are important for purposes of program review and accreditation evidence. After completing the assessment and reflections, you may return to the Courses tab to proceed to the next class or scorecard. Completed scorecards will now have a green check mark. To view the results of assessments, use the Results Explorer tab. Then scroll down until you find the course that you assessed. You can evaluate the differences between terms, or just view the data in the most recent term. As you see, using the rubric shows the most complete data. At the bottom, you'll also see that the reflections were completed. Alternatively, you can see the data in a table, which shows the reflection responses. Thank you for your work on SLO assessment. Your contribution is critical and very much appreciated.